Hi y'all. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite apps, and it's called Flipboard. Now, I don't know if you've heard of it or not. It's been around for a very long time. It's a great tool for content discovery and just reading on a variety of topics. I don't get a chance to read a lot of books, but I read online articles all the time. Flipboard was originally exclusively an iPad app. I remember when the original iPad was first available in 2010. This was one of the apps that best displayed the power and beauty of the new device. I didn't get an iPad until 2011, the iPad 2. For the record, I stood in line at our local Apple store for about 12 hours for the iPad 2. When I got my new iPad home, Flipboard was one of the very first apps I installed, and it's been on all my mobile devices since. It's a beautiful interface and allows the reader to flip pages as if you were looking at a print magazine. Several years ago, I discovered that Flipboard was available also as a web app, and I use it daily since then. Not only is it a lovely browsing experience, it's a valuable way to discover new and interesting content. Where Flipboard really shines is on the iPad, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So if I want to just get started, you just swipe, and it really looks like you're turning the page, which is a really cool effect. Here are all my chosen topics. Let's just click on marketing. Excuse me, wait a minute. Tap on marketing. Now, this is all of my marketing, all the articles that have been added to my marketing hashtag or topic. And again, I can just continue to flip through. Now, if I want to navigate around the app, here's where I would go. And something that's kind of new is Flipboard TV, which is just a series of videos that they have curated, and you can just flip through here and watch the videos, just like the still images and the regular articles. And so even on the iPad here, you've got local, and these are things just in different cities. You can choose what city you want to see things from, and food and dining, different topics. I can see my profile, and on my profile, you notice it shows the magazine, all of my magazines. These are my smart magazines, and these are the ones that I have created. I created this Read Later private magazine just to save things that I want to read later, or articles that maybe give me an idea for something, or just things that I just want to save and don't necessarily want to share. So here's an article. Here's some articles in copywriting. Let's just say that I wanted to share one of these. I'm just going to click the plus, and what I can do is flip these into any of the magazines that I already have, or I can create a new magazine from this screen. Well, I hope that you've learned a little bit about Flipboard and that you're ready to try it for yourself. I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which you can do right down there if you just click the little button that says subscribe. That way you'll know every time I put out a new video, which generally is once a week. Also, please follow me on Twitter at Beth G. Sanders and Instagram at Beth G. Sanders Online. I hope that you're staying warm and that you have a great rest of the week. Bye now.